Hi traders! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily upgrade or downgrade your Forex VPS package directly from the client area. Let's get started. First, log into your client area using your registered email and password. You can also log in using your Google or Twitter account if it's already connected. Once you're in, go to the home page, then click Services. It can also be accessed by clicking the Service tab, then click My Service. Next, select the VPS service you want to upgrade or downgrade. Make sure to double-check the package name to avoid choosing the wrong one. Then, click the Upgrade button. Alternatively, you can also find this option in the Actions menu. Just click Upgrade, Downgrade. Now, choose the service package you want. For example, let's select Classic Pro for 1 month. Here, you can also choose to downgrade according to the existing package. Once you've selected the new package, choose your preferred payment method. Then click Continue, and immediately you are redirected to the upgrade bill. The system will calculate the upgrade cost based on your remaining VPS usage period and the package you're upgrading to. Simply complete the payment shown in the invoice, and your VPS will be processed shortly. If you see a confirmation message like the one shown here, it means your upgrade invoice has been generated. To check it again, go to the Billing menu, then click My Invoices. And that's how you upgrade or downgrade your Forex VPS package. Quick and easy. Good luck and enjoy the new performance of your VPS. If this video was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.